Steel and smoke in the break of dawn. Chrome and thunder keep rolling on. No sleep, no fear, just the roar inside. Iron road keeps me alive. Iron road anthem, hear it scream. Gas and glory, diesel dream. One man, one heart, one team. Iron road anthem, feel the machine. Feel the machine. again. Every mile I start again. From dusk to dawn I ride this flood, living strong with diesel blood. Diesel blood running deep, no surrender. lights ignite. Born to roll through the endless night. Leather hands and iron soul. We live fast, we lose control. Full throttle nation, loud and wild. Burning steel since I was a child. We don't stop, we don't wait. Full throttles, our fate. Raise your horns, let's testify to the road where legends die. No regrets, no hesitation. We're the full throttle nation. Full throttle nation, loud and wild. Burning steel since I was a child. We don't stop, we don't wait. Full throttles, our fate. Full throttle nation, loud and wild. Burning steel since I was a child. We don't stop, we don't wait. Full throttles, our fate. Our engine roar, lights ignite. Born to roll through the endless night. Leather hands and iron soul. We live fast, we lose control. Full throttle nation, loud and wild. Burning steel since I was a child. We don't stop, we don't wait. Full throttles, our fate. Raise your I'll face.